Builder Innovator Summit. Hi, my name is Luther Core with Core Property Technology. We're here showing off one of our vendor partners, LockZone, and we're also here to talk about a software product that we're bringing in from Europe to help in the design process for smart properties. On the table here, these are some products that I have from LockZone, basically just showing off what the capabilities of the system are. LockZone uses a very simple wiring method called tree, which allows multiple types of devices to be interconnected, so you don't have to have a specific type of wire for a specific type of product. And then ultimately, you've got a brain of the system. It's fully modular, allowing you to place certain smaller devices wherever you need them in the property, and allows you to do a fully smart home product with the full ecosystem. So it handles lighting, handles audio, handles HVAC. You have things such as a built-in damper control, something new that they just released, which is a wireless light. This wireless light plugs in USB-C, you can carry it wherever you want, tabletop. And lastly, in terms of the product that I have on display here today, is access control. So this access control piece is showing an intercom and camera and a keypad.